In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Workspace icon in Slack. We'll walk through the exact path in Slack's web settings that takes you to your Workspace details. This is the same area where your icon, name, and URL live. So following along will put you in the right place to keep your Workspace's identity consistent. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Workspace and that you have admin or owner permissions, since regular members won't see these options. Start by opening your browser and going to slack.com. If you're not already signed in, Slack will prompt you to log in and pick the workspace you want to manage. It's best to do this on desktop, since the full set of admin controls is easiest to access there. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the admin section. If you see it right away, great, click it. If you don't, you may be in a view that doesn't show admin tools for your role or workspace. Try expanding the sidebar or open the workspace menu to locate admin. If it still isn't visible, you likely need elevated permissions from a workspace owner. Inside the admin area, choose Edit Workspace. This opens the Workspace settings panel where you manage core identity details. You'll notice options related to appearance and information that affect how your workspace shows up across Slack. Next, select Name and URL. This section is specifically designed for the public-facing pieces of your workspace identity. It's also where many admins review their icon and branding to ensure everything matches the workspace's name and address. Here, update the workspace name as needed. Pick something clear and recognizable to your team. Since this name appears alongside the workspace icon in places like the app switcher and notifications, aligning the name with your visual icon helps people quickly identify the right workspace. Keep it concise, avoid special characters that might not render everywhere, and double-check capitalization so it looks professional. When you're happy with the change, click Save. Slack will confirm the update, and you may see the new name appear immediately or after a brief refresh. If the change doesn't show up right away in the desktop app, try reloading Slack or quitting and reopening the app. A few final tips. If you don't have access to these settings, contact a workspace owner to grant the right permissions. If you manage multiple workspaces, verify you're editing the correct one before saving. And after updating the name, it's a good moment to review your icon in the same settings area to make sure your branding looks consistent across Slack.